So I've been called out to a job today in Newtown for an Optus customer. Basically, was it last week?
Yeah, 10 days ago.
About 10 days ago, the customer's internet and phone just went out all of a sudden, no dial tone, no nothing. He spoke to Optus. Optus said they sent out a technician, he didn't need to be home. And they said, oh look, everything's working fine to the MDF. It's not a problem there, it's on their side. It's on his side. Plane going overhead, a bit noisy. Anyway, so what we've found is that it's all back to front here. So usually, you got your pairs coming in down the bottom, but they've got the pairs going up to the units down the bottom. But you can hear the customer's one coming in on pair 9. So it's got a jumper on it, but that's coming up to here to these ones. Now, this has been disconnected. So somebody's done an installation here. I'll try and focus it on this. So you can see at the end of the cables how they were, a bit hard, but they were connected in. So you can see the little crimps there. So they've been pulled out. Now, this has just been installed. So, I don't know whether that's got anything to do with it, but I just went across all the pairs and the customer's FNN isn't there. So Optus, this is a technician from someone from Telstra or whoever has come out here, and they've disconnected this customer from the A side of the MDF. Now there's no FNN here, so the FNN's probably sitting in the Telstra can out the front, and they've just used his cable as the leading cable coming in because it's probably the only one that's testing good. So mate, I've seen this dodgy work done plenty of times before where they just knock a customer off and put their customer on the good pair. So Optus, this has nothing to do with the customer's internal cabling. This has got to go back to you. You're going to need to send a technician out, and he's going to need to come to the MDF. They couldn't have gone into this MDF unless they would have rang the doorbell and come through the security gate. So there's no way that they would have come here. So Optus, this is going back to you. You're going to need to send a tech out. Okay, bye.